Zero downloads, it's not your app, people just can't find it. It's all about keywords, that's how users find apps and download wherever ranks first in search results. So how do you get to the top? Let me show you with ASOMobile. Add your app by name, it takes just 5 seconds. The system instantly pulls your data and suggests your first keywords. Plus 16 tools are available for free right away. Next, the magic of analytics. App Keywords shows you which keywords users already find you by and where competitors are outranking you right now. Keyword Finder identifies the most effective search queries, from those with low competition to those that drive high traffic, based on your goals. Keyword Check gives you traffic, competition score, and effectiveness, so you know which ones are worth your time. Once your keywords are ready, ASO Creator will help you create metadata, a title, subtitle, and description. Write it manually or generate everything with AI in under 10 seconds, no copywriter needed. Once you're live, ASO Dashboard tracks everything: keyword rankings, visibility score, which keywords bring installs, so you know exactly which changes draw more downloads. And with App Report, you'll see everything about your competitors, from their revenue to their latest updates. Add your app for free and see exactly what's stopping you from ranking. Want full access right away? Use promo code FIRSTASO and get 30% off your first month.